are live. Isn't that cool, guys? So I spent the last couple of days trying to figure out how to do that countdown intro to my Facebook Live. I hope you guys like it. So every time I go on, I'm going to try something new. So that's one of the things I wanted to try new. Welcome, everybody. Maybe a little bit of an introduction. So if you don't know already, my name is Susan Ha. And I am a real estate agent, and from now on I'll be doing a lot of live streams just so I can connect with you guys and answer more questions and just share a lot of information. That's what I'm really excited about, is to actually share a lot of information. And of course I got my comments to work this time so I can see all your comments. And is my mic on? I hope it is, because the second time I did my live stream, my mic wasn't on and I had to delete that, so no one saw that, of course. So who am I? So yes, like I said, I'm a real estate agent. I'm a mother of two. And the purpose of my, doing this whole thing is to actually share with you as much information as possible. I was told that I have abundance of knowledge about all areas. I can help maybe share a little bit about investment opportunities and, business such as, my daughter runs an eyelash salon. So I'll probably, do a little bit of plug and then, share what she's been doing to get set up, and maybe I can share some ideas with you guys. What else can I share? Of course. I'm a real estate agent coach. So I coach agents to be better and do better in their business and things like that. So I'll be sharing things like that. So, as I get more familiar with this live stream and the setup, every time I stream, and it depends on the topic that day, I will think about, I would post somewhere, maybe here, what the topic, what the audiences should be. So if it's about buying real estate, I'll put buyers, sellers, I'll put sellers, investors. If it's business opportunities, or if it's for agents, right? If it's about how to run your business better and become a better agent, I'll put like for agents. And so if you're not an agent, you got to scroll along, giving them tips and tricks about that too. So let's see here. So for today, that's a little bit of an introduction. Today, I'm going to keep it simple. Again, I'm still getting used to everything and going live stream. And there's a lot of buttons and tools that I like to play with. So for today, I want to talk about, I hope I'm not yelling. I want to talk about the Hst Rule. A few people have been asking me about that and what it means, because it was a big thing a couple of weeks ago when it came out, and everybody's just not understanding about the new Hst Rule when you're selling an assignment is the question. So people are a little bit confused, and so I would want to take a little moment today to kind of go through that. And so let me show you what I can do now. Watch this. Hold on. Like I said, still trying to get used to it. iPad. Here we go. Yeah, cool. So this is going to help me explain and maybe show you guys more information a little bit better. So again, the new Hst Rule is that from now on, when you sell an assignment, there will be Hst on top. Now, people were like, on top of what? On top of the purchase price, on top of your deposit. Like, what does it mean there will be Hst now to be submitted? Well, I talked to an accountant, and actually this rule is not really new. It's always been there. It's just now that the government just kind of restated it, so people will be doing their taxes properly. So on my iPad, I'm going to do an example. Let's see here. So let's say you bought a condo for $500,000. Oh, looks okay. From the builder, right? So I would do like, also I have really ugly writing, so if you can't read it, I'm so sorry. It's the best I can do. And also it's on a iPad, so it's slippery too. So you're going to deal with it. One day, maybe I'll get an app that makes me write, looks like I write a little bit better. So for now, you're going to have to stick with my chicken scratch. So builder. Okay. Right? And so this is HST included. Right? So that's simple. That's understandable, right? You buy a condo for $500,000 and you pay $500,000 the end. Okay? Now, let's say you're like, well, I want to sell it before it closes. So that's something called an assignment. And you're selling it for, let's say, $600,000, right? and assignments. So this would be the assignment price. How's, oh, hold on, my picture's in the way. No one said anything. Hold on. Here we go. How's that? Is that better? Assignment. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, see? What is that? E and A? Okay. And so now you're profiting $100,000, right? So there's more, things to talk about this $100,000 here. But for today, we're just going to stick to the HST part, okay? Someone did say my picture was covering something, but I have not gotten the skill of reading comments and live streaming and explaining at the same time. I guess this is a skill that I will build up. So here we go. So $100,000 is what you profit, right? Woohoo! Right? Now, the HST rule is that this is HST taxable. So out of this $100,000, you're going to have to submit to the government the HST portion. Oh, okay, there we go. HST portion. So it will look like this. So if I pull up a reverse HST calculator, which I should have done beforehand, but it's live and we're just going to have to kind of do everything on the spot. Thanks for your patience. Oh, and by the way, if you're watching this and I'm like, it's a little bit too slow or it's too tedious and taking up too much time, it's going to be eventually on YouTube. So then you can go over there and watch it on YouTube at, like what I do is I watch YouTube at 2x. So, everything is a little bit shorter. So one day you can watch this on YouTube. And if you're watching this on YouTube, thank you for watching. Okay, here we go. So if we are going to do $100,000, again, bear with me. I am typing as fast as I can, which means 88,000 about, right, is the amount that will go to you, and we're submitting 11,000. Oh, sorry, hold on. Let's do a little bit more exact numbers. 8,500, and then this is 500, and this is the HST portion. Right? So you're not really profiting $100,000. You're actually profiting 8,850, which is really good still. And you're just submitting the HST to the government. So that's what it looks like, right? So again, I spoken to an accountant and they said that this is actually the proper way to do it, and that it has actually been like this for, forever, I guess, or whenever assignment was invented, that this is how it's done. But this year, the government just kind of stated again to make sure that everybody understand that this is what you're supposed to be doing. It's not really new. It's just brought to light to it. So hopefully that helps you guys. So let me bring this back to like this. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so that is my live stream for today, and a quick easy one, and one day I'll do longer ones with more information, more interesting things. And so like I said, I just wanted to come up here and do live stream, and it's a little bit easier for me, I guess, to do live stream than to do videos, because with videos I'm like constantly stopping the recording and then fixing my hair and then record again, fix my hair again, stumbled on something and then record again. So I find live stream is actually a little bit easier for me because I can just do it, right? So then again, thanks again for watching. If you're rewatching this, I can't see your comments, so I can't answer them. Maybe I'll answer them, later on. But anyhow, thank you again for watching. I will see you guys all on the next live stream. Bye for now.